Give this video a like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. The grumpy cat that doesn't like baths. There once was a kitty named Grumble, whose whiskers would twitch and would tumble. His fur was so soft, all in shades of gray. But if you said bath, he would run far away. His person would call, "Come on, Grumble, my dear." But Grumble would vanish and hide out of fear. He'd squeeze in a cupboard or climb on a shelf. "A bath is a bother. I'll clean myself." Then came the day of the weekly grim chore. His person found Grumble right behind the back door. The warm water ran, a disaster so wet. Grumble hissed sadly, "This is the worst day yet." The shampoo smelled flowery, all bubbly and sweet. But Grumble just kicked with his 4 angry feet. He splashed with a fury. He swatted the soap, giving his person no glimmer of hope. Finally finished, all fluffy and clean, Grumble looked handsome, the best cat they'd seen. He shook out his fur, now like clouds, white and high, and watched his reflection with a satisfied eye. He started to purr, low and rumbly. Sweet, turns out being clean wasn't such a defeat. Well, that is all, friends. If you enjoyed this short story, give this short story a like and subscribe. Bye, friends.